In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the voice in Suno AI efficiently and effectively. We'll guide you through the process, making it as simple as possible. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Suno AI account. If you haven't created an account yet, head over to their website and sign up. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the homepage. From here, look for the Create button. This is your gateway to making new audio content, and by clicking this, you initiate the process of customizing your voice settings. Next, you'll need to click on the Custom option. This is important because selecting Custom enables you to tailor the voice features to suit your preferences. Now, let's move on to a crucial step, deciding whether you want to upload a different voice or record a new one. To do this, click on the Audio button. Here, you can either upload an existing audio file from your device or opt to record something new directly. If you've already created a voice prompt in Suno, you can click on Persona. This option allows you to access and use any pre-existing voice prompts that you might have set up. Now here's where your creativity truly comes into play. Changing a voice in Suno largely depends on the prompt you create. Aim to craft a very detailed prompt reflecting the specific voice attributes you want the AI to generate. Consider aspects like tone, pitch, speed, and any accents or styles you'd like incorporated. For those looking for even more customization, you can click on Advanced Options. This feature offers a range of additional settings to refine your audio output further. Here, you'll have the choice to select between a male or female voice. Such options allow you to personalize the voice to align precisely with your project's needs or your creative vision. Finally, once you're satisfied with your settings and your prompt is ready, the last step is to click on Create. This action compels Suno AI to weave all your input and choices into a cohesive audio output, still guided by your specific instructions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can change and customize the voice in Suno AI with ease. Each option allows for a unique touch, enabling you to produce something truly tailored to your requirements. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore other features Suno AI offers to enrich your audio content further. Happy creating!